How was your boy? Excuse me? How was your boy? Excuse me?
A singing parrot has been causing a stir at a wildlife park by belting out Beyonce's "If I Were a Boy." Crowds are defying social distancing measures at Lincolnshire Wildlife Park to get a glimpse of Chico, a 9-year-old yellow-crowned Amazon parrot. The parrot has regularly broken into song since arriving at the attraction in Boston 18 months ago. Footage of Chico singing an incredibly accurate rendition of Beyonce's "If I Were a Boy" went viral after it was uploaded to social media last week. He hit all the right notes as he sang the opening lines to the 2008 hit by the 38-year-old U.S. megastar, while visitors chuckled in the background. The talented bird can also mimic other pop tracks, including "Poker Face" by Lady Gaga, "Firework" by Katy Perry, and "You Drive Me Crazy" by Gnarls Barkley. Lincolnshire Wildlife Park CEO Stephen Nichols said, "After more than 25 years working with these amazing birds, they still never cease to amaze me." Who would ever have thought that a parrot would cause social distancing problems due to being so popular? Regular visitor Graham Gardner, 54, from Boston, said Chico had proved a star attraction at the park since he arrived. He added, "People can't get enough of him. There's always a line of people waiting to see him. It's like he's an actual pop star at times. He'll just break out into song randomly and it leaves people in hysterics. He's actually got a very good voice. Maybe Simon Cowell might get in touch. You never know." Footage of Chico performing the Beyonce track has been viewed over 10,000 times since being uploaded last week. Ellie Roby, commenting on the park's Facebook page, said, "Oh wow, I love this." Sophie Taylor said, "Please, we need to see and hear more from Chico." Linda Parker posted, "I'm in love with him. Saw him yesterday. He told me he was a good boy. Then started singing. I stood there in amazement." The yellow-crowned Amazon is able to repeat human speech in a clear voice and can live often up to an astonishing 100 years old. They are native to tropical South America, Panama, and Trinidad and Tobago, where they feast on a diet full of fruits, nuts, seeds, and berries. Well, after listening to this, I can definitely tell you that I cannot sing that well, and I'm a human. And I love this story. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. This is Diane Hall with another episode of No Media TV. Sometimes I can't even talk straight. See you next time.